and whining and changing and whining and changing. Hey guys, and welcome back to HEYITSBRWE what's as well. Hey, it's Bree Pon the Scenes. Okay, and as you read by the title, I have a next story time for you guys. This one gonna be real interesting. I don't see in that already, but all in all, I'm comfortable with you guys, so I could tell you anything. Telling yourself. But yeah guys, I can't wait to do this installation plus tell you all the story time, because you know but yeah, the story time is the time I get my period in a party. I get my period in a party. Anyways, this video is sponsored by YGwigs, so make sure you check them out. If you're interested in here, everything will be in my description box, so it yourself. But make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and let me get into the video. Okay, so hey guys, big up to YGwigs. They sponsored this video and I'm gonna give you all the rundown. So basically it has combs inside and the adjustment strap, so you could do it to your liking. The knots are bleached, so you don't have to do that. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig and you could style it however you want. It comes pre-plucked, but I did some more plucking because you know I have to do that and thing. And please guys, make sure you'll use my discount code. Go and check them out. It is in my description box down below. Check them out. You'll see the length is 12 inches and this is the picture right here on this beautiful model. And yeah, I'm going to install it now and tell you all a story time, so make sure you'll check out YGwigs. Use my discount code. And yeah guys, wait on yourself. Okay, all right guys, so let me start. All right, so back then, this was like in 2018 or 17, but yeah, it had these parties called Charmies. Them hot parties for teenagers. So basically, I was how I was, but I was like 14. Yes, for sure, I remember that. But yeah, guys. And I had my cousin now. You already know my cousin and thing, because you know Kisel. So yeah, but my mother don't know this. She don't know. All I used to tell her, she was mommy, Kisel having a party and you know I want to go. That's how I used to get to go. Yes guys, yes. So I asked my mother and thing. Mommy said yes. Mommy said yes, that I could go to the party with Kisel and thing. So the day of the party, well actually you all know how to organize. I buy my fit and everything. I already run out for that party. Wait on yourself. Like I already run out myself and thing. Had to look good, but I will insert a picture with what I wear and thing. So yeah guys. But yeah. So I buy my whole fit and I'm very excited because you know I'm really excited. So the day of the party come in the morning, I think she dropped me, or I probably traveled down by my cousin and thing. And basically she had her friends, because you know everybody, well basically we just all of you that just sleep by Kisel, right? And thing, wait on yourself. So fast forward to the night time where everybody reach. We were really excited for the party. Everybody getting ready, we getting dressed and thing like that in itself, because the venue was right next to my cousin. So you know we just gotta walk right there. So yeah. So everybody getting ready, we were excited and saying, because you know you're gonna shell down the place, telling yourself. But yeah, you're gonna shell it down, telling yourself. So she rest her friends getting ready and then I was getting ready and saying. So as I looked, so you know, well, I was going and bathe, and while I bathing, all you know what really come? My period come on me. All you, my heart dropped because I was going and wear white pants. All you. So all you, I started to panic. I just get real bummy. I was like, what the hell, boy? And after all that we done pay for we ticket, which was like $100 or $80. And you know, we was really looking forward to something. But yeah guys, my period come on me. My all I was like, what the hell boy, what kind of timing is this boy? I say, I say, you know what, this not gonna stop me. This not going to stop me. I don't care. It's not going to stop me. It is not going to stop me. So I asked my cousin for a pan and thing, and you know, I put it on. So I had to come up with an idea because I wanted to get on like a little mad. Yeah guys, I wanted to get on mad and crazy. I just wanted to really enjoy myself and thing. But hold on guys, let me look to organize this week and I'll be right back because this is gonna get real interesting, I swear. Alright guys, so yeah. So after I find out that happened, I asked her for a pan and I had to come up with an idea. So you all know what we did? I took toilet paper and I started to roll, and I put it right there where I put the pan, right there. Because when my period now come, it's be heavy, like real heavy. So I was not going through that because you all know I wanted to dance. I wanted to get on bad. I tell you this. So yeah, that's what I did. I did that. So yeah, so after that I was so frightened. Swear to God, I was like, wait, boy, after I now spend a whole $100 to go to a party to enjoy myself, my period decided to say hello. Like, you wanted to pop? No. I get real bummy that night, all them. Swear. I feel real sick. And thing. Like, all I don't even know how I was feeling and thing, eh? But yeah, anyways, so after I done do all that and we was getting ready to go, me, her and her friends, you know, we was walking to the place, you know, real bad girl settings. We were laughing, talking, telling yourself. So boom shot, we reach by the place. The name of the place was Rush. Yeah, we reached here and thing, right? So if all you see me, I take my hand on a rail. I was digging my bottom because it was feeling real uncomfortable. I swear it's so cold. It was feeling real, like, you know, like all that other people I had it. So you know, thing reach by the guard, and I get the guard my tickets, and you know, thing and my cousin do that and your friends do that. So boom, we reach inside. So you know, we walking into the place, and then we were just vibing, we singing, we were making snaps and thing, and boom, a whining song come on. So I get prepared. I ain't care, I get prepared. So if you see how I dancing away and thing, I really bubbling, cause you know my bottom small, but I could still do a little something. So then a boy come behind me. I was like, can't know about that, so I continued to whine, and you know, and I kind of back away. Well, you know, I kind of move from him, you know, thing. So yeah, guys. Oh God, this thing probably don't try. Anyways, I come in. Let me go and take up this and cut the lace and thing, and I'll be right back.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Yeah, guys. So after whining on this boy, I know I move away, and I just mind my own business. So I hear the whole scene, eh? So every 15 minutes, I in the bathroom. Changing the toilet paper. Yep. I remember it clearly. Every 15 minutes, I was in that bathroom just changing toilet paper after toilet paper. Because I'm not going through that. I not gonna let blood get on my good hot white pants I pay over $100 for. No sis, sorry. I worked too hard for that all year. No, I don't want to hear that. But yeah, guys, so after all that commotion, you know, I just changing and whining and changing and whining and changing. I changing and whining. Ole. Hold on, let me put some fat on and start the fat on this thing now. I'm going to tell you the good part now. So we're gonna laugh. And plus it have a video too, eh? So, Alright, let me see what time it is. 12:48. Damn, almost on. Alright guys, so after all that, this song come on. I know all my Trinities know the song. All. Let's go like just like it. I think I said it wrong, you know. I like it. You ready? Tell them, do that for me. Split to the middle, make it two. Ole, and ole no break that split. So that song come on. So I forget I was on my period and I bust a split. Yes, I bust a split on the ground with myself, toilet paper, everything. Ole. And I was like, that when I get back up, that when I get back up. And then the song play again. And then I had these boys that go down on the ground. And I just end up to be in the right timing apparently. So the song playing, come on again. And it go, split in the middle. Boom, split on the boy. Guys. And everybody record that video. Everybody record it. I still have it and you all know I will include it. But yes, everybody started to record and I was like, I hope nothing showing. I was like, oh. And after I bust that split, I went in the bathroom one time and I checked and you know, the girl was safe. Telling yourself. So thank God for that. Thank God. And you know, time just fly. I enjoy myself at the party. I had to go in the bathroom every 15 minutes too. But that was alright. I was completely normal with it. What we gonna do? I was not gonna let that ruin my ole. No. I had to enjoy myself. I had to, period. I don't know, period. I had to enjoy myself. I don't care. Yeah, I had to. But yeah, guys, that is how it really went on. And after the party, and then while we walk back home, I watch over all dancing videos and I real bed kicks because I just find it was real funny how I could really go in a party with my period. But you know, it came last minute, so y'all know I had to be prepared. Tell yourself. But anyways, yeah guys, I really hope y'all enjoy the story time. Don't be like me though. If I get a period, stay home. But I had to. I couldn't miss this party. All you see how hot my outfit was over. White short pants, fila, and a nice little bra. Telling yourself. And mommy is no shit. Mommy did not know shit. Sigh. But yeah, just live and learn. It was real fun though, I won't lie. It was real fun, but you know, it was real scary too because you never know what could happen. But thank God nothing didn't happen. And you know, whatever. But anyways, yeah guys, so this is the finished product. I'm gonna take off the headband and show you what it is. I'm gonna just fix up here quick. But other than that, this here is very nice. I'm digging it. You all know I love my bobs. But yeah, the color is really nice, I wouldn't lie. All I did was basically pluck it some more. It came pre-plucked, but you know, I had to pluck to my liking. So that's what I did. And I just bleached nuts and that was it. So I'm gonna take off the scarf and show you all what it looks like. Y'all were telling me how I did. You tell me how to tell yourself. But yeah guys, that was this. I really can't believe that happened to me, you know. My period just decided to say hello Brie, what's up? Alright, yeah guys, so this is the finished product. I'm gonna just fix this part here. But yeah, it looks really nice. I like it. Telling yourself. That's all I think. Oh god, that's not, hold on. But yeah guys, it's given me very, I look so cute, I really do. But anyways, yeah guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all check out the company. Everything about the wig will be in my description box down below. I telling yourself, I don't know why this cannot come off. Alright, finally. Anyways, yeah guys, so yeah, this is the, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Anyways, alright, so yeah guys, I love you. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Okay, and telling yourself, I'll see you all in our next video. Okay.